Everyone is so busy talking about Tiffany, K Jewelers, and Zales that they have completely missed five engagement ring brands quietly delivering more value per dollar than anything you will find at a mall counter or a boutique on Fifth Avenue. These are not famous brands. They are not in any Super Bowl commercial. They have never paid a celebrity to wear their ring to a red carpet event, and that is exactly why they are absolute gold mines. Here is the math that makes this video matter. The average couple in America spends $5,200 on an engagement ring. Most of that money goes to brands with massive marketing budgets, mall lease overhead, and financing departments that make their real money on interest payments rather than on the ring itself. Gold has surged to $4,700 per ounce in 2026, up more than 70% from just 2 years ago, which means the brands that were already overcharging are now charging even more, while quietly passing those costs directly to you. The five brands on this list flip that ratio entirely. They put more value into the actual diamond, the setting, and the craftsmanship rather than into advertising campaigns and velvet boxes. The marketing budget is whatever is left over after the ring is built correctly. Today we are breaking down five cheap engagement ring brands that everyone ignores, but they are absolute gold mines. By the end of this video, you will have a shopping list that gets you a better ring for less money than you ever thought possible. And one of these brands sells GIA certified diamonds at prices that should be illegal. Before we start, here is what makes a brand a gold mine in this category. It needs to use real certified diamonds, not uncertified stones with inflated in-house grading that cannot be independently verified. It needs to price honestly with a much smaller markup than what you see at chain stores. It needs to be transparent about exactly what is inside the box, the diamond grade, the metal purity, the stone certification, and it needs to deliver a ring that holds up for decades of daily wear, not just for the proposal moment. The brands on this list check every one of those boxes. Most brands you have heard of do not. There is one more thing to understand before we begin. The word cheap in the title of this video is not an insult. It is the highest compliment in fine jewelry because cheap and good almost never meet, especially in the engagement ring category where the average markup is 300% above wholesale, and most buyers have no idea what the diamond actually cost before it reached the case. These five brands are the rare exception. They sell engagement rings at prices that should not be possible given the diamond quality, and they make it work by cutting out the things you do not need. The celebrity endorsements, the mall lease, the financing department, the velvet box experience designed to make you feel like the price was worth it before you ever looked at the stone. What is left is the ring itself, priced fairly, certified honestly, and delivered without theater. Brand number one, Blue Nile, the Seattle-based direct-to-consumer diamond retailer that quietly became the largest online engagement ring brand in America without spending a fraction of what K or Zales spends on advertising. Blue Nile sells GIA-certified diamonds, the only certification that actually matters in the resale and appraisal market, mounted in solid 14-karat and 18-karat gold and platinum settings at prices that consistently run 25 to 40% below traditional retailers for identical specifications. A 1-karat G-color VS1 clarity round, brilliant in a classic solitaire setting through Blue Nile lands between $6,500 and $8,000 fully certified. The same specifications at K Jewelers run $10,000 to $14,000. At Tiffany, the same stone climbs past $15,000. The diamond is identical. The GIA certificate is identical. What you are paying for at the mall is the lease, the staff commissions, the financing infrastructure, and the marketing budget. At Blue Nile, you are paying for the diamond. What makes Blue Nile a gold mine is the price match guarantee. They will match any competitor's price on an equivalent certified stone, and a return policy with no questions asked within 30 days of shipment. Mall retailers do not offer price matching because their pricing could not survive the comparison. Blue Nile operates on margins dramatically lower than traditional retail because their overhead is a fraction of a physical store network. That savings shows up directly in what you pay. A 1-karat Blue Nile diamond versus a 1-karat Tiffany diamond placed side by side is indistinguishable to the naked eye. To a gemologist, and to an independent appraiser. You are not getting a better diamond at Tiffany. You are getting a more famous box. Brand number 2. Ritani, the New York-based brand that solved the single biggest objection most buyers have about buying an engagement ring online: the inability to see it in person before committing. Ritani built a network of over 200 partner jewelers across the United States where you can preview any ring you design online before you buy it. You build the ring digitally, select your diamond from their GIA-certified inventory, and then see it in person at a local jeweler at no obligation before you place the order. A 1-carat F-color VS2 clarity round brilliant in a 14-carat white gold solitaire through Ritani runs between $5,500 and $7,500 depending on the specific stone. The same specifications through a traditional jeweler with comparable service and in-person preview capability runs $9,000 to $13,000. Ritani currently offers 30% off settings and 3% off natural diamonds, a discount structure that traditional retailers never extend because their prices are already inflated to accommodate the markdown. What makes Ritani a gold mine is the combination of online pricing with in-person service that no mall chain can replicate at comparable cost. Settings start at $112 before the diamond, which means your entire ring budget goes primarily into the stone rather than into the setting markup. Their preview network removes the risk of buying online without removing the online price advantage. You are not compromising the experience. You are just refusing to pay for a location on Fifth Avenue that adds nothing to the diamond on your finger. Brand number 3, Brilliant Earth, the San Francisco-based brand that built its entire business model around one promise that no mall chain has ever been able to make credibly: full transparency about where the diamond came from before it reached your hand. Brilliant Earth sources beyond conflict, free diamonds with full chain of custody documentation, and offers the largest selection of lab-grown diamonds of any retailer on this list at prices that have made a 1-carat diamond accessible to buyers who never thought they could afford one. Lab-grown diamonds are chemically, optically, and physically identical to mined diamonds. They are not simulated diamonds. They are not cubic zirconia. They are actual diamonds grown in a controlled environment rather than extracted from the ground. A 1-carat lab-grown diamond in F-color VS1 clarity from Brilliant Earth runs between $800 and $1,400, complete with a certified setting in 14-karat gold. The same specifications in a mined diamond cost 5 to 8 times more. No independent gemologist, no jeweler, and no appraisal instrument can tell them apart because there is nothing to tell apart. They are the same material. What makes Brilliant Earth a gold mine is the moral clarity that comes with the purchase alongside the financial clarity. Settings start at $650. Diamonds start at $1,110 for natural stones and significantly less for lab-grown. Their customization tool lets you build exactly the ring you want rather than choosing from whatever inventory a mall store happened to order. Over half of all engagement rings sold in America in 2025 featured a lab-grown stone, a fact most mall jewelry chains hope you never find out because it eliminates the primary justification for the prices they charge. You are not getting a more ethical diamond at K. You are getting a less transparent one. If you are taking notes, subscribe now. The next 2 brands on this list are even more underrated than the first 3. The 4th brand has been independently named the best value engagement ring retailer in America by the most respected consumer jewelry publication in the country. And the 5th brand sells more GIA-certified diamonds per year than most mall jewelry chains, out of a building that also sells rotisserie chickens. Brand number 4, James Allen. Now part of the Blue Nile family following their integration in 2026, James Allen pioneered the technology that changed how America buys engagement ring diamonds: the high-resolution, 360-degree rotating video that lets you examine every facet of a diamond before you buy it. That technology eliminated the single biggest advantage the physical jewelry store had over online retailers: the ability to see the stone up close before committing. A 1-carat E-color VS1 Clarity Lab grown diamond through James Allen runs between $1,200 and $1,800 with full IGI certification. Independent third-party grading, that functions as the lab-grown equivalent of GIA. The same stone at a traditional retailer costs 5 to 7 times more. James Allen sources through a just-in-time inventory model, meaning diamonds move from supplier to buyer without accumulating, carrying costs that get baked into the final price. Their settings range from $400 to $2,500, with designs that cover every aesthetic from minimal solitaires to elaborate vintage halos. What makes James Allen a gold mine is the transparency of the inspection experience. You see the actual stone you are buying, not a representative stone of the same grade, under magnification from every angle before you commit. Mall retailers show you a stone under halogen lighting engineered to maximize brilliance. James Allen shows you the stone under neutral lighting that reveals exactly what you are getting. Their return policy is 30 days with free resizing included. The integration with Blue Nile has expanded their combined inventory to the largest selection of certified diamonds available anywhere online. You are not getting a better look at the diamond at a mall store. You are getting a more flattering light. Brand number 5, Quince. Yes, really, Quince. The direct-to-consumer brand best known for cashmere sweaters and silk blouses has quietly built one of the most disruptive engagement ring programs in American retail. And Forbes named it the best value engagement ring retailer in America in their most recent vetted buyer's guide. Quince sells complete engagement rings, GIA certified or IGI certified diamonds in solid 14-karat gold settings, starting at $900. A 1-carat G-color VS1 Clarity Lab grown diamond solitaire in 14-karat gold from Quince runs between $900 and $1,400 complete. The same specifications at Kay Jewelers run $4,500 to $6,000. At Tiffany, the comparison becomes almost mathematically absurd. The diamond is certified. The gold is solid, not plated, not gold-filled, solid 14-karat gold. The setting is crafted to the same physical specification as rings costing 4 times as much because Quince uses the same manufacturing partners that supply established luxury brands and removes every layer of retail markup between the factory and your finger. What makes Quince the #1 gold mine on this list is what their pricing model proves about every other price in the engagement ring market. If Quince can deliver a GIA certified diamond in a solid gold setting for $900, the gap between that price and the $5,000 average engagement ring cost is not craftsmanship. It is not certification. It is not gold purity. It is markup. Pure margin layered on top of margin by a distribution chain that adds cost at every step without adding value to the stone on your finger. Quince removes that chain entirely. What is left is the ring priced at what it actually costs to make and deliver. That price is $900. The rest of the market is charging you for the story they built around the ring, not for the ring itself. So why have you not heard of these 5 brands the way you have heard of Tiffany or Kay? Simple. They do not run Super Bowl commercials. They do not pay celebrities to wear their rings at award shows. They do not lease storefronts on the most expensive real estate in every American city. Instead, they invest in diamond certification, setting quality, and pricing that reflects what the ring actually costs to produce. 4 of them are direct-to-consumer brands that bypass the traditional retail markup chain entirely. One of them is the most data-driven direct-to-consumer brand in American retail. None of them care about being famous. They care about being honest. Here is the framework for spotting more brands like these on your own. First, look for brands that publish the diamond certificate number on every product page. If they do not show you the GIA or IGI certificate directly, walk away. Second, compare price to material value. Take the diamond specifications and price them independently on a diamond pricing database. If the brand charges more than 20% above market for certified stones, you are paying for marketing. Third, look for return policies in plain language. Any brand that buries its return terms in legal disclaimers is protecting itself from the product it is selling. Fourth, look at where the brand spends its money. A jewelry brand with a Super Bowl commercial has to recoup that spend somewhere. It recouped it from you before you even walked in the door. The brands on this list shoot their products on clean backgrounds with real diamond specifications visible. The money other brands spend on celebrity photography goes into the certification instead. Fifth, ask whether you can name a real person who built the brand. With Blue Nile, you can name the founders, Harvey Kanter and Mark Vaden. With Brilliant Earth, you can name founders Eric Grossberg and Beth Gerstein. With Ritani, you can name founder Brian Watkins. With Quince, you can name founders Sid Kishore. Big brands hide behind logos. Goldmine brands have human beings behind them. That is not a coincidence. It is the entire point. The 5 brands on this list are not secrets. They are not insider information. They are public companies with public websites that anyone in America can buy from today. They are simply ignored because the engagement ring industry spends billions of dollars every year teaching you to measure love in brand names rather than in diamond weight and certification quality. Now you know which brands to measure instead. The next time you reach for your wallet for an engagement ring, this is the list to remember. The savings will genuinely surprise you. The quality will not disappoint you. And the satisfaction of knowing exactly what you paid for and exactly what you received is worth more than any logo on any velvet box. Drop a comment below and tell me which of these 5 brands you would buy from first. And if you know a hidden gem engagement ring brand that deserves to be on this list, drop the name below. The best ones might end up in a future video. If this gave you something new to explore, subscribe. I will see you in the next one.